Okay, we're going to open up our Google site and then over to the top right-hand side where it says Pages, click that. And then at the very bottom, you're going to see that little plus, and we're going to create a page, our new page, and I want you to title it Population. When you type population in there, hit Done. And what this will do, this will create a new link. So as we see this picture of mine, it really doesn't go with population. So we go over to the bottom and we're going to insert image, select image, and then we're going to do a Google search over population or crowds or crowded places or not crowded places, but put a population related picture in there. Okay, so we have our population page open. And over to the right, we're going to click Insert, and we're going to put in our Google Sheets assignment that we just made about world populations. And so if you go to the site and you click Sheets and click that, and there you will find over your Google Drive and find that sheet that you just made, and you click it and hit Insert. You will find that it pops up right there in your site. And then turn your site into me by getting the URL and pasting it in the box.